Hey, I have items out for a tour that's coming today. I thought I would do a quick video of them. So this is an elective that 5th and 6th graders took. They constructed the Pinbox 3000 pinball machines and then made their custom play surfaces. This is a project that 8th graders made for 1st graders around books that 1st graders were familiar with. So this is the Library Lion book. We coded it in Python, so all the projects they made for various books animate in different ways. We've got a fabric arts lined tote bag that an elective created. Here we have servo-driven automata. So we learned about cams, we constructed structures, and then this one activates when you shade the microbit. So it's light activated automata, these two. So we're using the microbit and their Python environment to animate these cool projects. Over here we've got the Raspberry Pi Pico, and we're learning about coding again in Python, and we're going to attach those guts to this robot chassis and make a true robot to roam the classroom. We have laser cut Tinkercad designed drink coasters. We have Tinkercad designed game pieces that 5th graders are creating for board games they're gonna integrate into Scratch projects. We have 4th graders they learned about animal adaptations, and now we're in the process of painting our creative animals that we invented for different environments. This is a prototype of a motion-activated turn signal bike helmet that 6th graders prototype. We've got Tinkercad code blocks. So this 3D print was coded. 5th graders also use calipers to measure these lag screws, and then they had to design wrenches to get their assigned lag screw out. And if it didn't work at first, they got to iterate. All right, there's a quick look at some of our creations from this year.